Hi. So today I'm going to show you how to make a file on your desktop. So if you don't know what a desktop is, it's this. And if you don't know what a file is, it's shut the fuck up. It's basically one of these. It's kind of like a shortcut, but it's not really the same. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna right click. Now, if you don't know which mouse button is the right is in the direction one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your fingers, you're gonna point them in opposite directions, and the one that's pointing left is your right hand. So take your right hand and press the right button. Like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go here where it says new. You're going to say folder. Then what you're going to do is you're going to name your folder, what you're going to put in it. So this is my Peter file. I'm going to fill it full of pictures of kids.